are looking for people who are interested in diversified work, people who will come and want to learn. No matter what you bring to the table, no matter what skills and abilities you have, we can teach you more. There are so many types of jobs. We're just, as we build things, we don't just structurally put them together and then weld them. There is the wiring, there is the piping, there is the insulation, and there is the painting. There are so many disciplines that we require. And again, we're a small company, so you won't be doing the same job all the time. You will be given the opportunity to do other jobs. If you exceed at some, obviously we'd like you to stay in that area, but it's an exciting job. It's a fulfilling job when you see a vessel leave out of the harbor, when you see one of our high-tech boats sailing down the river or down the lake. There's a pride, and that's the Hite Pride, and you should be part of that.